What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Vince, and today we have a special unboxing. We're going to be pulling out of this red box the Axis jacket from Milwaukee. It's the M12. It's in black. And quite frankly, I've been talking about this jacket for a long time. Somebody must have been listening because it's here now. We're gonna get it unboxed right after this. So let's take a look at the box. Number one, you got the Milwaukee logo. It says M12 heated Axis jacket. These are the things you need to look for if you like this jacket. Once I got it unboxed, I put it on, tell you that it's correct, the size and all that fun stuff. Okay, so heated Axis jacket. If you like this one, they also have the tough shell jacket. Okay, it doesn't have this nice crosshatch pattern, but you can see it comes with the red lithium CP, the compact 2.0 battery. It features Axis Ripstop Polyester. This one is in black. It's size large. It's model number 203B21. The jacket includes the M12 compact charger and power source, which is awesome. Awesome. Why? I'll tell you in a couple minutes why. Micro USB 3-foot cable and wall plug. It comes with the red lithium 2.0 compact battery, and it's a heated jacket, in case you were unaware at this point. Why do I like this one so much based on what I've seen? Number one, the real reason is because it has heat in the front, heat in the back, but most importantly, in cold weather, you know, my old bones, they start to tighten up, my muscles tighten up. And where does that happen most for me? Up in the shoulder area for me. So if I can get more heat into that shoulder area, maybe it'll help me from like tightening up. You know what I mean? I'm liking the idea of that. Quick heat function, 3 times faster. This jacket will heat up 3 times faster than the competitor. That means more heat on demand, okay? It has 3 settings, high, medium, and low. Up to 8 hours of runtime on a 2.0 battery, that's included. It's washer and dryer safe, so you don't have to take it to the dry cleaner. You don't have to take it to the dry cleaner, and you don't have to stank, because you can wash it. It's got hybrid construction. It's wind and water resistant. Compressible design for layering, so you can put it under heavier layers. Polyester insulation keeps heat in and doesn't add bulk because it's man-made. Man-made, so we've perfected it. You know, is that what that means? Let me know what you think down below, polyester. Reinforced high wear zones. You can see them here in the shoulder area, in case you carpenters are gonna be, or you rod setters, you're gonna be carrying rods, okay, or lumber for the carpenters on your shoulder. These areas are reinforced. Down by the sleeves, reinforced from what it's saying. Chest and back heat zones. Shoulder and heat zones. So you can see the heat zones are independent, okay, from one another. You don't have to necessarily turn on the shoulders if you need heat in the chest and back area, and vice versa. Let's get it unboxed. Got my Power 3. If it's your first time to the channel, and it could be, because we're seeing a lot of new faces around the channel lately. My Power 3 is a Spyderco knife. This is a sprint run from Blade HQ. This knife is pretty awesome. It's made here on planet Earth in Golden, Colorado, USA. This is a sprint run, so it has the blue scales, it's blue handles, but it also has CPM S110V steel. So we open the box. First out of the box, boom, this is the compact charger and power source. This is like 60, 70 bucks alone. You know, depending on where you're shopping, you could go to this video here and see an overview. We have an unbelievable price in that video for this heated Milwaukee gear. All types of promos. Maybe I'll even put a link down below, okay, to take you directly there. But if you wanted to see that overview video, you can see it there as well. but you got a USB cord, okay? Oh, it's got a nice little rubber, look at that. Look at that. So it gives you like it gives you your normal trash bag tie, whatever you want to call it, okay? But it comes with, I don't remember this coming with my other kit, but it comes with a little rubber strap to hold your stuff together. Pretty cool. Now, it's coming with the wall adapter for your USB cable to power this. I'll tell you what this does. So you plug your USB cord into your wall adapter, okay? And then the micro end plugs into this compact charger / power source. It plugs in the top here, okay? Now, why does it plug into the top here? What's this whole contraption? Okay. There's instructions here. You might as well just, I'm telling you what to do right now, so. You can toss them. You can read them in the bathroom if you like. Whoa, now we got that out of the box. What is this? This is the 2.0 battery. And why am I going through all this stuff? Because some of you tradespeople know all about heated gear. Or maybe some of you are looking to confirm your purchase of something you've already bought. But some of you are here because you're purchasing this stuff for a loved one, which is pretty cool. I mean, right now we're making this video, November 2018, and people are looking over these reviews and unboxings because they're trying to make a decision on what to buy their loved one who is in the trade, or I don't know, goes skiing or climbs mountains or something, and they're looking for good heated gear. So, what is this? This is the 2.0 M12 lithium-ion battery from Milwaukee, red lithium. This plugs into this compact charger / power source. This powers this power source, okay? Now, you can also charge this battery if you plug this into a wall outlet. This acts as a compact charger. It has your indicator lights here, tell you condition of your battery, okay? Now, once this is charged, then this compact power source goes into the jacket and powers the jacket. You follow along now? Now, what's also great about this compact power source is that come spring and summer, okay, you're out on the beach, you're using maybe some mobile devices, you're using your mobile camera, something, and your battery's dying. If you have your mobile power supply source /source, you can use this power source to power anything that is powered by USB power. That's power, like I said power like 15 times. Unbelievable. So whether it would be an Android device that uses, whatever type of connector you're required. Apple has their Lightning. This is USB micro, mini, who knows what it is. All right, all you do is get your cord, plug it in here. Boom, you could power any USB powered devices with this power source. It's like a bonus, kind of. Let's get the jacket out of the box. Here it is. It's all it's just like vacuum packed for like an astronaut mission. It's nuts. Be careful not to cut your jacket, because your Power 3 is extremely sharp. And what I'm hoping to do right now, it has instructions right on here. It says press for 2 seconds to turn on and off. Okay. So what I'm hoping to do right now for you, the viewer, is determine the size. Generally in jackets, if I'm wearing a top layer, not like a mid layer, I'm generally a large. Sometimes a mid layer, I could be a medium, but I'm built. I have a wide chest and a thinner, not as thin lately, but a thinner waist. So I'm just trying to determine how true to size this is for you. I gotta tell you, this is nice. It's lighter, and I think this is the first time I'm actually seeing the Axis in person. I thought that the Axis was heavier, like the Tough Shell. but this reminds me more of a lighter type jacket that could be worn under a heavier jacket. Does that make any sense? This is wind and water resistant, so it's not wind and waterproof. I will say this. That fits pretty good. Now, I layer. So right now I have a hoodie on, okay? VCG hoodie. They're not available at the merch store, but t-shirts and hats and all kinds of other stuff is available at the merch store over at vcgconstruction.com/store. I have an undershirt, I have a thermal, a t-shirt, and then a hoodie on. I have a whole bunch of stuff in it. Yo, if you wanted the cold weather winter hat, go on over to the merch store. Just told you, vcgconstruction.com/store. You can get one of these cool hats. That was down here, so it'll keep me from zippering up my jacket. Now, I'm gonna tell you, at first I thought the sleeve length was a little long, but that seems to fit well, okay? So I have right around a 44 to 45 inch chest, okay, dimensional. And right now I have on an undershirt, a thermal, a t-shirt, and a hoodie. And I feel like I have I have plenty of flexibility. I feel like if I took my hoodie off right now, it would give me more, I'm feeling a little tightness in the back area. But I don't think that's a product of this not being true to size. I think that it's a product of all of my garments underneath here. It feels really good. I don't feel like the jacket would impede my work at all. I do like, you can see the crosshatch pattern here, but you do see down at the sleeves and in the shoulders, those high wear areas, these reinforced areas. Pretty cool stuff. I want to just, at this point, just confirm. So sometimes if my jackets are a little too tight, okay, you have a hard time getting them off. No problem getting this off at all. I like the idea of wearing a hoodie a lot of times underneath my outerwear because I can throw my hood up. I don't necessarily want the hoodie to be part of the hood to be part of the outerwear, but I feel like if I was wearing a hoodie underneath, if I had the hoodie on now, put on my heated jacket, I feel like it would have a tougher time getting the heat into my core, into my body. Now, without the hoodie on, yeah, definitely. All that tightness in my back, pretty much gone. Now, if you wanted to actually power this handsome jacket, I think it's really cool. And it feels mighty warm without the heat on. But if you wanted to power up, there is a little pouch back here, zippered pouch, that you open up, and the plug is right here, okay? It's like a 3mm jack. All you do at that point is take your battery, plug it in, plug it in, put your battery back in the little pouch, done. That's it, that's all you gotta do. Then you're able to independently power the jacket on. And when I say independently power the jacket on, yeah, what I meant was the heat zones. So if I wanted heat in my core area, I would just hold this M12 button down for 2 seconds. Boom, it's on. So high is red, white is medium, and blue is low. And I will tell you this, This thing is already heating up. Wow. Now the heat for the shoulders, see the dual heat? Same thing. 2 seconds. Boom. Now, I have a question. Let's see. Can you... Yo, this is warming up fast. I can't believe it, how warm this is getting. So, now, I'm going to tap this. I don't need as much heat in my shoulders, per se. Boom. So these dual heat zones can be set independently. We could put that on low or even off. All you have to do to turn it off is hold the button down for 2 seconds and it's off. That's really great. It's really heating me up. And if you like being heated up by heated workwear and gear, then smash the like button. Also, if this is your first time here, you're going to want to get subscribed. We do videos like this all the time. Tap the bell notification. We sometimes find crazy tool deals and deals on heated gear. When we do, we make a video. Sometimes people save hundreds and hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars in those tool deals. Never miss a tool deal ever again. Tap the bell notification. I mean, why spend thousands when you can spend hundreds? With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. If you're looking to pick up this Axis jacket or any of the other Milwaukee heated gear, right now, this is November, December 2018. Milwaukee's running some promos for additional goodies. Maybe you check the link down below or something. Everybody, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. It's not so hot that it's like uncomfortable. Do you know what I mean?
You're not sweating?
No. I haven't worn it that long, and I'm always like real animated and running around. Like, So, I do, sometimes when I'm on camera, I do overheat just from being on camera. But I feel like it's just a warming, like it's adding some additional warmth to me. You know what I mean? Does that make any sense?
It's like a blanket wrapped around you. It's cozy.
It's like a heated blanket. It's like a hug from your mommy.
It's like a blankie.
It's like my binky when I was a baby.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.